Well, hello everyone. I'm Derek.
And I'm Salanda.
And welcome back to our channel, We Be Trippin'. Today is day 26, day number 26 of 53 days at sea. Today was another sea day. So we got up this morning for brunch, went to brunch, had the normal, the usual, steak and eggs, cheese grits, toast with apple juice, and it was good, no problem, just as always, good. What about you?
Oatmeal.
Oatmeal. Good? Was it good?
It was good.
It was good. All right. Well, anyway, so after that, we we went up to Lido deck because they had games. I don't know why it's getting kind of noisy around now.
It's supposed to be a silent party.
Yeah, we're outside of the silent party, but it has gotten very noisy. Anyway, I played. They had some type of competition with games. There was a golf game. There was a pitching game. There was another game where you throw and knock down. I think they call it Skittles. There was like a life-size beer pong game, and there was another game. I can't think about what it was. But anyway, I competed in the games. Because it was something to do. I had a lot of fun. I think I had about 15 tickets. So you get tickets every time you win a game. I think I had about 15 tickets. But anyway, and then you put all of your tickets into a box for a drawing for a prize. So I didn't win the prize. So, but had a lot of fun. The weather was nice today. While I was playing the game.
I was soaking up the sun.
So then after that, we went back to the room for a while, and then we went to dinner. For dinner, I had Cobb salad, and for my entree, I had lamb chops, some type of lamb chops, and it was okay. I didn't really care for it. It was better the last time that I had it. So what about you?
I had the same thing, and it was my salad was good.
Yeah.
My salad was good. The lamb chops, I think I need a new menu. Yeah. I think it's exciting when you're accustomed to what Carnival normally serves for dinner, for all the meals. But now that we've been on here, this is 26th day, now it's starting to be kind of like the same thing, So, and for dessert we had the upside down pineapple upside down, and it was really sweet. Well, you said Carnival desserts not sweet.
Yeah, I apologize.
It seems like they dropped a bag of sugar.
Yeah, I think, yeah. But yeah, it was a bit too sweet. But other than that, we went to the casino, and that's about it. Anything you want to add?
I put $25 in the machine, and I walked away with some money, so.
Yeah.
I don't gamble, but yeah, I think I did pretty good.
Yeah, so I think tomorrow is a port day. So tomorrow, you know what we're gonna be at tomorrow?
Los Palmas.
Los Palmas?
That's what it is?
Yeah.
Could it be?
Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what it is. But I know tomorrow we have a port. So looking forward to that because we've had 2 days at sea, which was, I look forward to those 2 days because we was going to a port every day. But now since I've rested up a little bit, I'm ready to start docking again. So, So anything else? So what would you rate today?
I think I'll give it about an 8.
About an 8?
Yeah. Tell them we was getting on the elevator
About a comedy show. You would have thought it was a funeral.
Yeah, listen, because it was like I thought it was a lecture, so I was asking like, what's going on in there? And the lady, that because you didn't hear any laughs, anything, it was just the person on stage talking. So I asked the lady that was in the elevator. She was like, "Oh, it's a comedy show." I said, "It's a comedy show. Nobody's laughing." She's like, "Yeah, he wasn't funny." So Solano was like, "They're never funny." I'm like, "Nah, sometimes they're funny, but this guy, I mean, there was no laughs. I think sometimes maybe they're courtesy laughs. There was no laughs at all. All you heard was like him talking. That's why I thought it was a lecture. But you know, it is what it is. And I don't know his name. I should have got his name. But that's about it, right?
That's about it.
Yeah. So until next time, keep tripping.